The first stage, second stage. This one you have done. Find the 4-point circular convolution of x of n and h of n given in the figure using radix 2 DIF FFT. You have done this one. So what is x of n? What is the sequence given? It is 1, 1, 1, 1. So at n is equal to 0, it is 1. At n is equal to 1, it is 1. At n is equal to 2, it is 1. At n is equal to 3, it is 1. So x of n will be equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. What about h of n? H of n will be at n is equal to, it is 1. At n is equal to 1, it is 0. At n is equal to 2, it is 1. At n is equal to 3, it is 0. Okay. So it is 1, 0, 1, 0. So this is the basic butterfly diagram for decimation in frequency. This is a plus b. This is a minus b into wn to the power of r. So wn to the power of r, here it is. This is minus 1. Okay. Since they have given capital N, that is number of samples, it is equal to 4. So DIF FFT, decimation in frequency, FFT algorithm. So in this, at the input side, it will be, the samples will be given like this. That is x of 0, x of 1, which will be in the normal order. That is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. And at the output side, the it will be in the bit reverse order. Okay, it will be in bit reverse order. This is 0, 0. So when you see from the right to left, it will be 0, 0. So it is x of 0. In the same way, x of 1, it is 0, 1. Okay, we'll take 2 raised to 2. That is 2 bits we will take here. So x of 1 means 0, 1. So if you see from the right hand side, it will be read as 1, 0. 1, 0 means it is nothing but x of 2. Okay. So x of 2 is what? That is 2. That is how it has been represented. It is represented as 1, 0. If you write from the left hand side, it is 1, it is 0. If you see the same number from the right hand side, it is 0, 1. So 0, 1 represents 1. That is x of 1, like this. So x of 3 is what? It is 1, 1. So 1, 1, when you see from the right hand side, again it is 1, 1 only. So it is x of 3 like this. Okay. So now it is 4 point. Okay, 4 point means how many stages you will be having? You will be having 2 stages. This one will be first stage and this one will be the second stage. Okay. So now in decimation in frequency, first stage will be 4 point, then 2 point. If it is 4 point DFT. Okay. If it is 4 point, it is first stage will be 4 point, then 2 point. 4 point means we'll be using 4 lines like this. Okay. So now from x of 0, okay, from this first line to the third line, from this first line to the third line, I'll put a diagonal line like this. Okay. So now here, what is the formula? It is a plus b. So a plus b. A plus b means 1 plus 1. What you will be getting? It is 2. Okay. So here it is W4 to the power of 0. Here it is W4 to the power of 1. Okay. So here it is a plus b means 1 plus 1, it is 2. At the same point here. Okay. Since they have put a diagonal line like this. So here it is a minus b Wn to the power of r. So W4 to the power of 0 is 1. So here 1 minus 1. See here at this point. So line comes from here. So 1 comes here. Okay. So this one comes here. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. So we'll be getting 0 here. Okay. So this one we have got. This one we have got. We'll go for this one. So second line and the fourth last line. Okay. We'll put a diagonal lines like this, cross lines. So here, this line, when you see it is 1. Here when we see it is 1. So 1 plus 1, what we'll be getting? 2. So I'll write down 2 here. Okay. So next, here 1. Okay. That is A minus B. So here 1, this 1, minus 1. You can take 1, this one if you multiply it is 1 minus 1. So here what will be getting? 1 minus 1, it is 0. Okay. So what we'll get here? 0. Got. In this completes your first stage. Then going for the second stage. In the second stage, what we are having here? 2. Since this is 4 point, this is 2 points. So only 2 lines I will put. I'll take 2 parallel lines like this. Okay. And I'll put a diagonal like this. So when I put the diagonal line like this is 2 plus 2. That is 4. If you want, you can go with the formula, or if you could remember the diagram, seeing the diagram also you can write. Okay. This is 2. This is 2. 2 plus 2, what you will be getting? It is 4. Okay. In the same way, this is 2 and this is minus 2. 2 into minus 1, you will get minus 2. So 2 minus 2, it is 0. So I'll get 0 here. So here it is 2 point means W2 to the power of 0, W2 to the power of 0. These things you all remember very nicely. Decimation and frequency, you will get the total factor this side. Okay. To find DFT. Next 0. So this 0 and this 0. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 minus 0, again it is 0. So what we have found out? We have found out x of n. They have given the sequence x of n. We have taken the DFT. This is x of k. Okay. So now what we will do? We will find out h of k now. So h of k, they have given the same thing. The sequence from the diagram, it is 1 0 1 0. Since it is 4 point and they have told we have to find out DFT in decimation and frequency, that is in DIF. So what we will be doing, we'll be taking stage 1 4 point, then 2 point. So 4 point, I'll put all the 4 lines like this, parallel lines. Okay. So I'll connect from first line to the third line, and I'll put a total factor W4 to the power of 0. This second line to the fourth line, that is second line to the fourth line like this, and I'll put the total factor W4 to the power of 1. Okay. Here will be minus 1. Okay, here will be minus 1. You have seen the basic diagram, butterfly diagram. Okay, minus 1 will come here since from here it has been connected. Okay, now this one 1. Okay, so this one 1. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. From here it is 1. From here it is minus 1. So it is 1 minus 1, it is 0. So I'll put a 0 here. Okay, so in the same way, 0 from here, 0 from here. So 0 plus 0, it is 0. Again the same thing, 0 minus 0, that is 0 here. Okay. So now next stage is 2 point. So 2 point, what I'll take 2 lines. Okay. When it is 4 points, we will take 4 parallel lines. When it is 2 point, we will take 2 parallel lines. Okay. When it is 8 point, we will take 8 parallel lines. So in 4 point, we will get 2 twiddle factors. In 2 point, we will get 1 twiddle factor. And in 8 point, we will get 4 twiddle factors. That is W8 to the power of 0, W8 to the power of 1, W8 to the power of 2, and W8 to the power of 3. Okay. So now from here, when you see the butterfly diagram like this is 2 plus 0. Okay. At this point, 2 plus 0, it is 2. Same thing, 2 minus 0, what will be getting? 2. In the same way, 0 plus 0, it is 0. Here it is 0. Here it is minus 0. So it is 0. Okay. So like this you will be getting. So the same bit reverse will be here. Okay. Next, what you have done, you have find out x of k, you have find out h of k. So next, what is the next step? They have told the circular convolution. So what you will be doing, you will be multiplying x of k with h of k. Okay. So when you multiply x of k with h of k, what you will get? 8, 0, 0, 0 like this. So now I have to find IDFT. I have to do IFFT. So for that, what I'll be having? I'll be having W4 to the power of minus 0, W4 to the power of minus 1. Okay. And I'll be having 1 by n like this. Okay. I'll be having 1 by n like this. So now what I'll do? Again 8, 0, 0, 0. Again the 4 point, first stage 4 point, then 2 point like this. Okay. When 4 point, it is 4 lines I will take, and I'll put a diagonal line like this, and I'll be having 2 total factor W4 to the power of minus 0, W4 to the power of minus 1. Here you will be having minus 1, here you will be having minus 1. Okay. So I'll multiply, I'll add this one, 8 plus 0. So 8 plus 0, what will be getting? 8 will be getting. Here what will be getting? 8 minus 0 into 1. W8 to the power, W4 to the power of minus 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 I'll be having. So it is what we'll be getting? 8. Okay. So from second line and fourth line, it is connected. So here what you'll be having? 0, you'll be having 0. And from here it is 0 plus 0, what you'll be having? 0. Okay. In the same way, 0 minus 0, again you'll be having 0. So this completes the first stage. What about the second stage? Again it is 2 point. So 2 point. So 8 here, 0 here. So 8 plus 0, it is 8. Got? It is 8. So here what we'll be having? You'll be having 8 minus 0. So 8 minus 0, again it is 8 into 1. So 8 you will be having here. So again here 8 plus 0, it is 8. Okay. So here 8 minus 0, again here it is 8. Okay. So now 8, 8, 8, 8 I've got. But this is IDFT. So what you have to do? You have to divide it by 4. That is 1 by n. N is what? 4. So 8 by 4, 8 by 4, 8 by 4 and 8 by 4. What is the result you will be getting? It is 2, 2, 2 and 2. So what is your y of n? It is 2, 2, 2 and 2. That is circular convolution of x of n and h of n. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Find the 4-point DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to cos of pi by 4 into n using DIF FFT algorithm. So what they have given? X of n they have given. It is 4 point. So what you have to do? X of 0 you have to find out. X of 1 you have to find out. X of 2 you have to find out. X of 3. They have not given the sequence directly. They have given one equation, that is x of n is what? Cos of pi by 4 into n. So what you have to do? You have to first find out the sequence. What is the sequence? So x of n will be, when n is equal to 0, cos of 0 will be equal to 1. When it is 1, it is pi by 4, it is nothing but 1 by root 2. Okay. When it is n is equal to 2, it is pi by 2. Cos 90 will be again 0 like this. When it is 3 pi by 4, it is minus 1 by root 2 like this. Okay. So you have got the x of n. Simple thing. So I'll write down here 1 by root 2, 0 minus 1 by root 2. And I'll find out the first stage. That is same thing. This will be a plus b and this one will be a minus b into w into the power of r. Again here it is a plus b. Okay, from here 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, it becomes 0. Same thing here, a minus b, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, it will become plus. So w4 to the power of 1. I'll find out like this. That is first stage and the second stage. So what I have got? X of k. X of k is what? 1 minus j root 2, 1 plus j root 2. Okay. Now find the 4-point real sequence x of n if its 4-point DFT samples are x of 0 is equal to 6, x of 1 is equal to minus 2 plus j2, x of 2 is equal to minus 2. Use DIF FFT algorithm. What they have given? X of n is a real sequence. So How many numbers they have given? They have given 3 samples, but it is 4 points. So x of 3 we don't know. So x of 3 is what? It is conjugate of 1. Since it is 4 point, x of 3 will be conjugate of 1. So 1 is what? Minus 2 plus j2. So what will be your x of 3? It is minus 2 minus j2. Okay. Symmetric conjugate. So minus 2 minus j2. So we have got the sequence 6 minus 2 plus j2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus j2. Okay. So the same way, this one will be 4 point, this one will be 2 point. Since it is number of samples n is equal to 4, so we will be having 2 stages, one will be 4 point, then 2 point. Same thing here, you will be having a plus b, here you will be having a minus b into w to the power of r. Here you will be having a plus b, here you will be having a minus b, w to the power of r. Okay. Since they have told x of k has been given, you have to find out x of n. So this one will be a IDFT. Okay. So you have to divide it by 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 like this. Okay. Any doubts?